Hello to my future employer. My name is Leticia Tamayo, 34 years old from Philippines. I am a single mom. I have only one child boy. He is 12 years old. But now I'm currently in Hong Kong. I'm looking another employer. The reason is got visa and financial problem. I have another experience for 4 years in Hong Kong, taking care elderly at the age of 95, 94. The main duties in previous employer is uh, cooking, cleaning, marketing, ironing, and washing. But I'm focused to taking care elderly woman. Main duties is changing clothes, changing diapers, cleaning the whole body, and assess the walking and giving the massage and giving meals, giving medicines, and always every day morning checking the blood sugar, blood pressure. If you hired me, I will do my best. I'm a hardworking, I'm a kindness and a trustworthy. And I thank you. God bless. Bye bye.